In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Vercel build logs not loading. If your Vercel build logs are stuck, blank, or simply refuse to load, don't worry. This is often something you can troubleshoot quickly with a few practical checks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple process to help get things working again. The first thing to try is using a different device. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Vercel itself or with your current computer, browser, or local setup. If the build logs load normally on another device, that's a strong sign the problem is isolated to your original device rather than your Vercel project. Next, go to your Vercel dashboard. Once you're signed in, head to the main area where your projects and deployment activity are managed. This is where you'll be able to inspect the deployment that's having trouble and take action directly from the dashboard. From there, click the Deployments tab. This section shows the history of your recent builds and deployments, so it's the right place to locate the build whose logs aren't loading. Take a moment to find the specific deployment you want to troubleshoot. After you've found the build, click the three dots next to it. This opens a menu with additional actions related to that deployment. If the logs aren't appearing because the deployment got stuck or something didn't initialize correctly, this menu gives you a quick way to retry the process. Now click Redeploy to restart it. Redeploying can often resolve temporary issues by triggering a fresh build session. In many cases, the new deployment will generate logs normally, even if the previous one failed to display them. After you start the redeploy, give it a little time and then check whether the logs begin loading as expected. If the problem still isn't fixed, clear your browser data. Cached files or corrupted site data can sometimes interfere with how dashboards and live logs load. Clearing your cache and cookies, then reopening the browser and signing back into Vercel can help refresh everything properly. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also try opening Vercel again in a private or incognito window after clearing the data. By working through these steps, you can usually determine whether the issue is device-related, browser-related, or just a temporary deployment problem. If one step doesn't solve it, move on to the next in order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Vercel build logs loading again.